All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 long wheelbase with 24,000 miles, beautiful white with black with gray vinyl interior, steel wheels, AM/FM stereo system, power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, super nice. Best of all, no damage around the body. Front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, right there, boom. Hood looks pretty darn good. Your fender here looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks okay until here. Here, as you can see, we do have a dent. Boom. It's one angle. Here's another angle. Boom. There's a dent down here. You can see that whole little area. That's about it. The scuff. It's got a scuffing here about 4 or 5 inches. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And tire thread back here is at 530 seconds. About it. Got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM CD player, AM/FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage up 24,964. Pretty much is it. Keep the lights on. Coming around. Rear bumper. Let's have a dent there, as you can see. About another little dent there. This door looks good. This doors do flip out. This is, of course, what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. All right, looks good. The floor looks good. This and that both look good. Here's what your doors looks like. Looks very nice. Normally those panelings are messed up. This door looks good here. Here's the other paneling and what that looks like. Very nice. All right, this paneling here, let's have a dent here about 3 inches, right there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread is at 430 seconds. That's right, just at the line of 430 seconds. This door's beat has a dent here. Boom. There it is. Doors do swing out. Boom, boom. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Got one of your doors. Pretty good. The paneling looks good. Normally the paneling is all beat up, but on this one it is not. This door here looks okay. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender. Very nice. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Give me 1 second. All right, folks, we do have windshield busted right there, as you can see. All right, about it, folks. Once again, lights are working, cars running, folks. Once again, this is the 2017 Ford Transit T-150 long wheelbase with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.